Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all. Before continuing watching this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. And let's get started. Here in Nagpur, it's very hot right now. आप भी कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के जरूर बताइएगा कि आपके शहर का तापमान टेम्परेचर कितना हाई हो रखा है और वहाँ बारिश हो रही है या नहीं। हमें एक न्यू फ्रेंड भी मिला है और वो है ये, जो हमें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, बट अब आ गया है तो क्या किया जाए, उसकी अच्छे से खातिरदारी तो करनी ही पड़ेगी। तो उसके लिए आज हम यूज करेंगे आइस क्यूब्स। So what all you need is take ice cube in some cloth, okay, and it should be clean, and rub it on your face. Now benefits of ice, there are so many benefits of rubbing your face with ice. पहले तो गर्मी का अगर सीजन है या गर्म हो रहा है तो ये बहुत ही सूदिंग लगता है। दूसरा, ये ऐसे जो प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाते हैं, ये जो फ्रेंड्स आ जाते हैं, उससे ये काम और सूदन करता है और जो भी स्वेलिंग है उसके आसपास वो भी कम करता है। डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए भी बहुत इफेक्टिव है, पोर्स भी मिनिमाइज करता है। इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स मेकअप टू स्टे लॉन्ग और एक स्मूथ सरफेस क्रिएट करता है फाउंडेशन के लिए। तो इतने सारे फायदे होते हैं। ऑल्सो इट रिड्यूसेस रिंकल्स, ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा बेनिफिट है। पफी आइज के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, बट आप ये डायरेक्ट आइस लेके रब मत करिएगा, अदरवाइज क्या होगा ना कि ब्लड सर्कुलेशन रुक भी सकता है अगर एकदम ठंडा डायरेक्टली अगर फेस पे लगाते हैं तो। कॉटन में लेके लगाइए, नॉट एन इशू। और रोज रोज भी नहीं लगाना है, जस्ट 2 days in a week is enough। आपकी स्किन अच्छी भी रहेगी। So I'm done with rubbing the ice cube on my face and it feels so refreshing, so cold, so nice. And let's move further. So now today I'm using the moisturizer. It's from Face Shop, but it wipes it and it's brightening lotion, also a moisturizer. So I will just take a little bit on my hand and apply it all over my face. I'm just pressing it into my skin so that it gets absorbed nicely. And now primer time. Again, this inside 3-in-1 primer. I have ordered my primer, but they are yet to come. So till then, continue with the same primer. So yeah, my usual places where I tend to get more oily, like the T-zone, like my around the nose, mouth, and forehead, and just spread it all over the face, whatever is left over, and also on my neck. So today we will be doing a no makeup look that you can wear it in your office or everyday look, any daytime function maybe, if you don't want to get it overdone. And let's get started. Actually we have already started, but still. So before applying my foundation, हम करेक्ट कर लेंगे हमारे जो डार्क सर्कल्स है, और उसके लिए हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे एलेगन का प्रो कंसीलर, एंड इट्स in the shade Peach Corrector. So it's very much new and I'm using it for the first time. So let's see how it works. It comes with the brush itself so that its applicator is nice and you don't need extra brush to apply the product. Just blend it with my fingers. Have I applied it too much? It seems too much of product. From next time I will keep in mind that I have to take a little less because less goes more. It actually has corrected my dark circle. Yeah, literally I'm loving it, and it doesn't feel cakey or sticky or heavy. Means I'm feeling as if I have applied nothing. Now let's move to the foundation. And for foundation I'm using my Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and it's in the shade 125. And first I will take it on back of my hand. This much is sufficient for me, and applying it with my wet beauty blender. concealer, and for concealer again I am using the Fit Me concealer, and it's in the shade light, and it's got over almost finished, but it's okay. So on the usual places like my nose, forehead, under my eye area, cupid's bow and chin. Now blending time. So again I'm blending the concealer with my Wet Beauty blender. And now to set the concealer, I'm using here again Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder, and it's in the shade 20 light medium, and again I will be applying it with my Wet Beauty blender, just the places where we have applied the concealer. And for contouring, I'm using the bronzer from Makeup Revolution London with my angled fluffy brush. So done with my contouring in the usual places like below my cheekbones, my jawline and sides of my nose. और हम forehead bronze नहीं करते, contour नहीं करते, क्योंकि छोटा सा हमारा forehead है और अगर हम फिर भी उसको bronze करेंगे या contouring करेंगे तो वो और भी छोटा दिखेगा, इसीलिए हम वहाँ avoid करते हैं. So yeah, this is done. And for highlighter, again I'm using this Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter, and it's in the shade Molten Rose Gold. वो हम लगा लेंगे ये स्टेप के ब्रश की हेल्प से just above my cheek, tip of my nose, on bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. Blush, I'm using Wet n Wild blush, and it's in the shade Apricot in the middle, and it's perfect for no makeup look. And now to fill in my brows, I am using here the L'Oreal's brow pomade, and it's in the shade 104 Brunette, and quickly I'm gonna brush it. Yeah, I'm done. And for eyes, I'm only using the mascara, and to apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara so that your eyes look bright enough. Just apply the highlighter, any highlighter, by taking a smaller brush like this and apply the highlighter near the area. And for lips, just line your lips with any lip liner, nude lip liner, and then apply the color of your choice. I'm using the lipstick from Chambord, and it's in the shade 2997. They are not having any color, I guess, color code. The reference number is 2997, so it's a very much like a pretty peach color, so I like it very much. Now I'm gonna apply. Now what I like to do is just line my lips after applying the lipstick so that any imperfection is there, any imperfection, so it gets hidden up. So this is the final look of no makeup look. As you can see, the foundation was sheer coverage. I didn't build it up higher, so it doesn't feel cakey or heavy, and still you can see the skin from within. So yeah, this was it for no makeup look. And if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please comment in the comment section below that how you like the video. If you have any query or any suggestion, then feel free to comment in the comment section below. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and the link I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And yeah, see you till next time. Bye.